Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have to make this quick. If I look like a hot mess, that's because I do. I just came out the shower. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm gonna just do a quick set. I'm gonna just use the same twist that I did to use to wash my hair, and I'm gonna be doing a twist out later. Wait, let me get my comb. So I'm gonna be doing the LSU method. My leave-in conditioner will be the Shea Moisture Strengthen Restored Leave-in Conditioner, and of course the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream, and the multi-use pure oil blend. I'm almost out. My shipment is delayed because of the storm, but it's on its way. Hopefully it will get here before I run out. And I also purchased the leave-in conditioner, so I'm excited to try that when it gets in. So starting on my first section, which is damp. I think I'm gonna leave it in the large section. I'm not gonna even fuss. I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner. And then some oil. And then some of the Twist Elongating Style Cream. And the reason why I love the Melanin products is because it don't leave a residue. You don't have that greasy feeling. So like if you lie down on the couch, or let's say you're lying down on your arm, it's not gonna leave all that greasy residue like how hair grease, but still your hair will be moisturized. And that's what I love about these products. So I'm gonna detangle with my white tooth comb. Something is telling me to split this section in half, and then something is telling me, whatever, just leave it. Just apply some of the buttercream to the ends, and then I'm gonna twist. Let me twist down this way. Split it into two. And that's my first twist. Moving along quickly. Applying some leave-in conditioner. That much. Some of the oil. And then the Twist Elongating Style Cream. Detangling. Apply a little bit more of the twist cream to the ends. And then twist. And I left that deep condition in my hair for a good 24 hours. And my hair felt so soft. What was the longest time you guys ever leave your deep conditioner in for? Let me know, comment down below. I think maybe once a month you guys should maybe try leaving in your deep conditioner, especially if you're struggling with dry hair. And I promise you, if not 24 hours, at least overnight. Put it in like before you go sleep and then shampoo it out in the morning. Game changer. And especially since I don't have a hooded dryer, it works way better than just the time that I have in the shower to deep condition. And when I first got the product, I was like, this oil is gonna finish way before the buttercream, but it didn't. You can see they're literally at the same level. I'm gonna finish the buttercream before I finish the oil. And I wanna know how it's gonna work out with a leave-in conditioner. Am I gonna run out of leave-in conditioner before I run out of buttercream, or is all equally portioned? We'll see. I'm so excited to try the leave-in conditioner. Something is telling me this twist lock is not gonna come out good, but oh well. I'll just fluff it out, turn it into an afro, and call it the end of the day. At least my hair will be moisturized. I think next I need to try a detangling brush again. I used to use a Demon brush like when I was in the States, but then I don't know why I stopped using it. I have no idea why I stopped using it. But that's that. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner just to apply to my hairline. Some oil. And then a little bit of the buttercream. Why I keep saying buttercream, the twist elongating style cream, just a little bit. And that's that. So I'm gonna tie down my hair. Where's my scarf? My scarf is right here. And now I'm ready for bed. So stay tuned for the results tomorrow. All right, later, bye.